Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is going to be an interesting one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you how I set up my crypto trading bots on OKX, which are an official partner of my channel. I'm going to demonstrate this, and I'm going to give you a really good insight and obviously show exactly what I'm also doing in the Patreon, which is linked below as well. So I can speak to you in there, which is awesome. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there's some really interesting stuff on how to set up a crypto trading bot, which I think is going to be essential for this next bull market because these things trade 24/7. So make sure you stick around for that. Well, here we go. Okay, guys. So yes, here is my OKX exchange, I should say. And this is where I do all of my crypto trading bots and my day trading. Now, a lot of you would ask me, why am I using OKX? Firstly, they're a great exchange. They are an official partner of the channel. And yes, I've had no issues with KYC on this platform, and I can use leverage if I wish to trade. Now, obviously, you will need an account on here. There is a referral link below for this. Please feel free to use that. You will get some incredible benefits by using that, and also join the Patreon page because I go through exactly what I'm setting up and my new bots. Now, once you've registered for OKX, use the referral link below. Once you've done that, set yourself up. You will have to do KYC if you want to start trading, and depositing, and I should say withdrawing around 10 million USDT. No, it's not BS, which is crazy as well. So make sure you check that out. Anyway, once you've got that set up, let's get into this, right? So I use cryptoslate.com. Okay, now I come to here and go, no thanks. You come to coins on the left-hand side. As you can see right here, I'm waving my mouse. This brings up a really nice chart. It's just better than CoinMarketCap. Well, I mean, you can pretty much use whatever you like. It's completely up to you. Now, what I tend to look for, obviously, is firstly trading volume. So come up to 24 hours. You can see, obviously, these are the most traded assets right here. My screen's just decided to do something, but anyway, moving on. So, of course, you've got XRP, you've got Binance, Dogecoin, Solana, Litecoin, Chainlink, etc., Polygon Matic, Stellar, XLM, whatever it may be. So what I tend to look for then is I come to here. Then I go to 24 hours. Let's have a look at what is up at the moment. We have XLM. Okay, as an example, we have Synthetics. XDC is not available on OKX, which is annoying, but we have Solana, Chainlink as well. I think let's do maybe Chainlink, or let's have a look here, XLM, which is up as well. Obviously, you've got up 6% here for Chainlinks, 14 on 7 days, 30 on 30 days, which is really good as well. Let's have a look here. We've got Aave as well, which is doing quite nicely. I tend to look for coins that are doing quite well in the 24-hour, 7-day, and 30-day. There's good volume there. There's good money coming in, which, again, the bot's going to be working really nicely. As an example, let's do Chainlink. Okay, so we'll come back to OKX. We're going to come here to search. We're going to search up Link. Now, obviously, it's a perpetual. So, again, we're going to be using some leverage here. So, let's just favorite that. Let's go to Link. Then you come over to, obviously, this trading panel right here. And again, you can adjust this on the right-hand side, as you can see up here. You can adjust this trading panel to whatever you like. I suggest using advanced left. It just makes things a lot easier. Now, obviously, yes, forgive me. I've got some day trades opened up here. But let's go to trading bots. Now, again, there are many options here on OKX for bots. Now, again, it's up to you, whatever you want to use. I've tested them all out, literally. It's completely up to you. A spot grid, basically on Chainlink, perpetual futures has returned an APY of 27,000%, which is insane. I use the futures grid. You can use futures DCA martingale strategy, which basically continues to double up your bets, or I should say your trades, not bets, when the market goes down. That's up to you. You got an infinity grid, moon grid, which is really basically for people that want less volatility. It's completely up to you. I choose the futures grid. Right, so you can come over here and just simply pick an AI strategy. That is completely up to you. Obviously, there's different options. Futures grid here is 5x leverage. Chainlink, again, shorting it. I should say that's a long at the top with 5x. Shorting it is at 5x. A neutral is at 5x. Long is at 30x. You've got short at 50x as well. Just a whole heap of options here for you to do that. And you can see the AI percentages of returns. This is in 7 to 20 days. Obviously, you can see here 77% in 7 to 20 days as well, which is crazy when you think about it. But anyway, as an example, right? Let's just pick one. Let's just go here along at 30x. There's one person following this. Let's just go copy here. Now I'm going to adjust the parameters here. I'm going to go adjust. Obviously, you can see the price range is between the lower limit. This is on a long, short, and neutral. I like to do neutral, so it's going both ways. Now, my obviously lower limit here is at 4.5 USDT. That is the price, and upper limit, which is 50. This is saying that it's arithmetic right here. And again, I leave it at arithmetic. I don't change that. You can change it to geometric. It slightly adjusts your profit per grid. It's up to you. Let's just have a look. You can see the massive price difference here. All right. So again, there's a significant amount of grids. There's 300 grids. That is a lot of grids. Obviously, the less that you have, the more profit you're going to make. If I drop this down to 200 grids, it's going to make between 9.27 per grid and 144% per grid. For those of you who don't know what a grid is, this see on the chart right here, these are grids. Obviously, the bot is going to be buying low, selling high. That's essentially what it does. And it does this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay. Now, obviously, coming back here, now you can adjust the leverage. It's up to you. You cannot do this on Binance Australia. They do not allow it. This is why I love OKX, because you can use some leverage. You need to be very careful with this leverage, okay? I would strongly advise you to stick between 20 to 30. It's up to you. However, I've got a significant amount of capital tied up in here, so I'm just going to do this as an example. I'm going to try 50x. I do not recommend you do this. That is extreme. Okay, you need to be prepared to lose your initial investment if this goes parabolic. Now, as an example, 50x leverage. All right, I've got 200 grids. You can adjust this to 80, and of course, your invested margin is going to be reduced as well. So 80 grids is going to be basically 48% to 600%, which is crazy. You can do 100 grids. As an example right here, and it's going to be between 37 and 481% in return. That's going to require an 85.21% margin. As an example, I'm going to put here 686. Right. So you can see the liquidation price on this trade. Bot. Okay, you come down here. Sometimes this has a glitch and it doesn't work, but basically liquidated long position if the price goes to basically zero. And if I've got a short position open and the price goes up to 29 USDT, which is crazy, basically I would be liquidated in a short position. So again, it gives you an example right here. So that is pretty much it. Now, you can see on the chart, you can check your charts and adjust your lower limit and upper limit. That's entirely up to you. You can go to the daily. Let's just have a look. Let me bring this back down. Let me zoom right out, and you can see that the price has sort of remained, let's just say as an example, $8 and its absolute low, which was on 13th or 12th of June right here. Let's just have a look. It was around about $5. Sorry, I'm just a bit, there we go. Let's have a look here. It was around about $4.50. So there you go right there. Really interesting stuff. Now you can adjust that to whatever level you like and put however many grids. But as an example for this one, I'm going to set it at, let's say I'm going to put some capital in here. And obviously I've got 432 USDT available. Let's just put this at 200 grids and see what happens. Now, again, because I've increased that, it's going to require a margin of 85.21. I'm going to set it at 86. I've set my lower limit to $4.50 USDT. Upper limit is 50. 200 grids between 15% and 237%. You can see that the total right here using 50x leverage, which is crazy, available right now. I'm basically borrowing 4,300 USDT, and I'm going to earn one link per grid. One link, okay, which is crazy. And let's try this. Let's see if I can create it. So I need 169, so let's put 170 as an example. Boom, boom, done, done. All right, so now we can create the bot. We go confirm, and the bot has been created. That is pretty much it, which is really cool. Okay, now I do have some bots set up here. I have XRP currently trading at 50x leverage, basically 120 grids. My initial investment's 262, and currently I've made 7% return on that, which is 20 USDT. So these are my bots set up at the moment. Very, very nice stuff right here. And of course, I do have some open positions up with some day trading. Let me just bring this screen down. And you can see here, Doge, 25x, ETH, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Litecoin, Ethereum, Solana, XLM, and XRP. There's quite a lot of deals going on here. However, it has been quite successful in day trading as well. So I'll put that all up in the Patreon to see how these are actually going. But anyway, I just wanted to do a video on how to set up these crypto trading bots. Please be careful with the leverage. Do not go crazy. Try to stick between 5 to 10%. If you want to go risky, that's up to you. It's not financial advice. But there you go, guys. And again, you can come here and essentially get an update of what's happening on the bots. Now, if I just go quickly back here for an example right now to my XRP bot, which is currently trading at the moment, so you guys can see this. I'm currently up 20 USDT. It's had 7.83% profit. You can see the percentages it's making per day. You come down here, you can see all the buy and sell orders because it's a neutral position. If you're only doing long, meaning the price is going to go up, you would only have this side of the actual chart right here. These are all the profits made in the last couple of, should say 2 days I've been doing this. That's pretty crazy. So take small profits. And this thing trades 24/7, which is interesting. That's it. That's how you set up a crypto trading bot, guys. So thank you very much. Make sure you use the referral links below. And yeah, have fun with this, but be careful. All this stuff is not financial advice. And again, don't go crazy on the leverage. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not do that. All right? Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.